It's another one of those weird ones, overcast but slightly bright. Merry Vlogmas Day 9, no, Merry Vlogmas Day 8. I know what I'm doing, honestly. Calendar time. We've established that Dad needs to go first because otherwise you might lose your chocolates, Mum.
Why have I got to go first?
Because you might steal Mother's chocolates. You got your mate with you?
No, because I've got to sort this out.
Yes, I'm going to do that before you've got nasty hands.
Yeah.
Down there, down the bottom.
No, you need to ask me about it. What am I going to do with it?
What are you going to do with it?
I'm going to do it 3 ways.
Yes, he's told us this already though.
Okay. 2 ways I know, and the third I haven't got a clue yet.
That'll be super.
What a beauty, huh? What a beauty. Yes.
I grew it.
Right. Number 8. Cool, blimey, is it 8?
Yeah, it's your birthday tomorrow.
Oh, I was going to say. Skipper's Priam. Right. Well, have a look at it.
Skipper's Priam. Ooh, ooh. That does not look appetizing.
No. If this is anything like A Fisherman's Friend.
Yeah, it could be. I love Fisherman's Friend.
Oh, they are gross.
Oh, this will be a first.
That might be a mummy thing then.
Oh no.
Oh.
This is very promising.
Disappointment.
Yes.
Do you want
to stick your nose in?
Oh, that's licorice.
Mm.
I don't know why that's a surprise. You got your word of the day ready?
But it's like a, it does look like a...
Looks like a coil.
Oh, it's hard.
I'll keep him quiet for a few hours.
You can't chew this, you've got to... This is going to be around for a while.
Is it nice?
It's ambrosial.
Oh, it's another word that didn't end in sh's.
Did you see all the ideas one of the people gave?
Yeah, I'm trying to pronounce them.
One of the. I thought they were
Once
brilliant.
I know how to pronounce them, I might give them a crack.
Yeah,
I thought they were
going to work on that.
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Can I go and play with my friend now?
You can go play with you can dismember your friend. Yes.
Yeah.
Cruel.
Oh, it's blue.
You don't play nicely. Oh.
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 It says cappuccino on it. No. I wouldn't even.
No.
I would open it up and sniff it. I don't think you're going to like it. I think you'll put it in your mouth. What do I say to you every time I buy rose and violet creams and you're like, but I want one, and then you go, oh no.
Oh no.
That was an immediate and visceral reaction.
A definite present for somebody.
That's for Vaughan.
Oh, for Vaughan.
Yeah. What's the betting I get my coffee?
Lucky Vaughan.
What's the betting
Lucky Vaughan.
What's the betting I get my coffee chocolate today?
Oh, you could do.
There's only one coffee chocolate in the thing. That would be quite funny. Oh! Dark and strawberry hot chocolate. I was looking forward to this one as well. It means I still have the coffee one to come though. I think you can just about make out in the background here that Mum is cutting out a shirt, and it's my brother's Christmas present. She's knitting him his birthday present and sewing him his Christmas present, and it is the most awesome fabric. I will show you. It is Liberty Lawn and it is dinosaurs. I actually went back to have a look and see if they had any more of this fabric for in the Black Friday sales, and they did not. I was sad. Yes, cut my head off. Today is time-lapse day because I have lots and lots and lots and lots of bits and pieces to wrap up and get posted out. So I'm going to start with my KB pattern swap bits and pieces. If you don't know, I'm swapping with 4 people. The first round of swaps we ended up with an even number, so if I wanted to take part I needed to put my name in twice, which was fine. And then I had about 6 more people message me and just say, I missed the deadline, please 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 can I take part, and it was close enough that it was doable. But then 2 of them were from, so 4 of them were from the US and 2 of them were from other places. So for my kind of like thing of everybody's gonna have somebody from a different country, yeah, 2 of them would have ended up, 2 partners would have ended up with swapping with somebody in the US. So I put my name in 2 more times because I did. So I have a list here. There are a few people that haven't quite sent all of their stuff off yet, and mine, as you are going to be seeing, is probably going to end up going, in fact it's definitely going to end up going on Monday, so the 10th. So I am late and I apologise, that's my own fault. I didn't go and get these bits and pieces soon enough, so my bad. Fingers crossed everything still arrives on time. I should be able to pay for it to all get there on time, but I am getting loads of messages from all of you guys saying that you've shipped yours. There's a few that haven't as yet, so I'm going to message you guys at the end of today and just sort of say, oh, did you send it? Can you just let me know? But yeah, Nancy very kindly put together a spreadsheet for me of who had sent what, or who was sending to who, and like a date sent and date received. So that was really kind of her, because that was another job that I was not looking forward to. I'm not the best with spreadsheet programs, as it turns out, so she did that for me. So anyway, enough rabbiting. I have got bubble wrap, I have got presents, I have got patterns, and I am going to get them all sent off to my pant swap partners, and Dad's time has just gone, so I'm going to go tell him about that. Presents are wrapped and they just need to be finalised because I need to stick some more labels and stuff on there. I'm going to do key fobs now. That's why I was making as many as I did recently, is so that I had them all ready to go. Is a giant pile of post. That was a productive day. I have watched 3 movies, getting all of that stuff wrapped up and parcelled up and labelled and all that sort of stuff. So yes, it always takes longer than you think it's going to, but very glad that it's all done. Papa is very kindly going to take it to the post office for me on Monday, so it's definitely a joint effort, the key fobs and all that kind of stuff. Today's vlog is another kind of fairly short one. There was a lot of footage. It was over an hour and a half's worth of footage, but I have smooshed it down because no one needs to see that much time lapse. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will be back behind the sewing machine tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. I'm also planning on doing my November lookbook, my December plans, and a few other videos. I'm going to shoot those on Tuesday next week, so there will be some regular videos coming to you this month as well. So on that note, I'm going to say goodnight, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.